Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts in monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to bring a list of contacts into your workspace smoothly. Before we jump in, a quick tip to set you up for success. Prepare your file first. A simple CSV or Excel file works great. Include a clear header row with column names like name, email, phone, and company. Keep one contact per row, remove duplicates, and make sure your data is clean and consistent. This small bit of prep will make the import faster and more accurate. Start on the monday.com homepage. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and that you have permission to access the contacts area. If you manage multiple teams or boards, take a second to confirm you're in the right place to avoid importing to the wrong board. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Contacts. Depending on your setup, this might be part of your CRM or sales workspace. If you don't see it right away, try using the search bar at the top to find the contacts board quickly. Once you're in the contacts board, find the new contact dropdown. It's typically at the top of the board. Click that to expand the options. This menu lets you add a single contact, but since we're bringing in a list, we'll use the bulk option. Choose Import Contacts. This tells monday.com you're about to bring in multiple records at once, which saves tons of time compared to adding them individually. Now click Browse Your Files or simply drag and drop your prepared file into the upload area. CSV and XLSX files are both supported in most setups. Make sure your file's first row contains your column headers and avoid complex formulas. Plain text values import best. If your spreadsheet has multiple tabs, keep the data you want to import on the first sheet to prevent confusion. After you add the file, monday.com will guide you through the rest. You'll typically see a preview where your columns line up with contact fields. If your headers match the field names, most of the mapping happens automatically. If not, you can adjust the matches so each column goes to the right place, like aligning mobile with a phone field. Take a moment to confirm that emails, names, and companies look correct. When the import completes, spot check a few contacts to confirm everything landed where it should. If something looks off, it's usually quickest to correct the file and re-import. That's it. Home, Contacts, New Contact dropdown, Import Contacts, and upload your file. You're all set to bring your contacts into monday.com quickly and cleanly.